What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily put or add a PDF file on Manychat. So let's head over to app.manychat.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into an account. And from here, we're going to start over with automation. So from here, if you already have an automation, you can start with that. But for today, we're going to use a basic template. And say, for example, we're going to use this welcome message template. Just click on setup. And as you can see here, we already have an existing trigger that when a user subscribes by clicking the start button in Messenger, this event will happen. There's a message that will automatically be sent to the user. And what we're going to do is click on this. And from this section, let's just scroll down till we see more. Then from the options, just click on file. And as you can see, we already have this file link that we're just going to click. And from our documents, let's just choose the PDF file that we want to automatically be sent. And as you can see, the PDF file has already been added. You can also try to view a preview of what's going to happen. And as you can see, people will now be able to click on this PDF file automatically sent on Messenger. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!